Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn 50 household objects vocabulary sentences in English. Household objects help us every day at home. These easy English sentences will help kids improve speaking skill, learn household object names and build English vocabulary. Are you ready kids? Let's explore our home together. Let's start. Household object vocabulary sentences. Chair, I sit on the chair.
Chair, I sit on the chair.
Table, the books are on the table.
Table, the books are on the table.
Sofa, the sofa is soft.
Sofa, the sofa is soft.
Bed, I sleep on my bed.
Bed, I sleep on my bed.
Pillow, the pillow is comfortable.
Pillow, the pillow is comfortable.
Blanket, the blanket keeps me warm.
Blanket, the blanket keeps me warm.
Lamp, the lamp gives light.
Lamp, the lamp gives light.
Clock, the clock shows the time.
Clock, the clock shows the time.
Mirror, I look in the mirror.
Mirror, I look in the mirror.
Curtain, the curtain covers the window.
Curtain, the curtain covers the window.
Living room objects vocabulary. Television, we watch cartoon on television.
Television, we watch cartoons on television.
Remote control, the remote changes channel.
Remote control, the remote changes channels.
Fan, the fan keeps the room cool.
Fan, the fan keeps the room cool.
Air conditioner, the air conditioner cools the room.
Air conditioner, the air conditioner cools the room.
Carpet, the carpet is clean.
Carpet, the carpet is clean.
Vase, the vase holds flower.
Vase, the vase holds flowers.
Photo frame, the photo frame is on the wall.
Photo frame, the photo frame is on the wall.
Bookshelf, the bookshelf has many books.
Bookshelf, the bookshelf has many books.
Basket, the basket holds toys.
Basket, the basket holds toys.
Dustbin, throw trash into the dustbin.
Dustbin, throw trash into the dustbin.
Daily household objects vocabulary. Cup, I drink milk from a cup.
Cup, I drink milk from a cup.
Plate, the food is on the plate.
Plate, the food is on the plate.
Bowl, the soup is in the bowl.
Bowl, the soup is in the bowl.
Spoon, I eat with the spoon.
Spoon, I eat with a spoon.
Fork. The fork is clean.
Fork. The fork is clean.
Knife. Use the knife carefully.
Knife. Use the knife carefully.
Bottle. The water bottle is full.
Bottle. The water bottle is full.
Glass. The glass is empty.
Glass. The glass is empty.
Tray. The tray carries food.
Tray. The tray carries food.
Container. The container stores snacks.
Container. The container stores snacks.
Cleaning objects vocabulary. Broom. The broom sweeps the floor.
Broom. The broom sweeps the floor.
Mop. The mop cleans the floor.
Mop. The mop cleans the floor.
Bucket. The bucket is full of water.
Bucket. The bucket is full of water.
Dustpan. The dustpan collects dust.
Dustpan. The dustpan collects dust.
Brush. The brush cleans shoes.
Brush. The brush cleans shoes.
Sponge. The sponge washes dishes.
Sponge. The sponge washes dishes.
Detergent. The detergent cleans clothes.
Detergent. The detergent cleans clothes.
Hanger. Hang your shirt on the hanger.
Hanger. Hang your shirt on the hanger.
Laundry basket. Dirty clothes go into the laundry basket.
Laundry basket. Dirty clothes go into the laundry basket.
Iron. The iron removes wrinkles.
Iron. The iron removes wrinkles.
Useful household objects vocabulary. Key. The key opens the door.
Key. The key opens the door.
Lock. The lock keeps us safe.
Lock. The lock keeps us safe.
Doorbell. The doorbell is ringing.
Doorbell. The doorbell is ringing.
Doormat. Clean your shoes on the doormat.
Doormat. Clean your shoes on the doormat.
Umbrella. The umbrella keeps me dry.
Umbrella. The umbrella keeps me dry.
Flashlight. The flashlight shines brightly.
Flashlight. The flashlight shines brightly.
Battery. The battery gives power.
Battery. The battery gives power.
Charger. The charger charges my tablet.
Charger. The charger charges my tablet.
Toolbox. The toolbox has many tools.
Toolbox. The toolbox has many tools.
Household. Our household is clean and happy.
Household. Our household is clean and happy.
Amazing job, kids! Today we learned 50 household objects, vocabulary sentences, easy English speaking, and everyday household words. Now you can name many household objects and use them in simple English sentences. Great job, kids! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Till then, bye!